This beat belongs to Ntate Stunna's next big album. This is how I made it. I started off with this piano, and by now you know a piano is like the father of all music instruments. This piano sounds like this. I actually played that piano. The MIDI looks like this. This is the MIDI. It's in A minor. After I played that piano, I played this top liner as well. By the way, the MIDI of the top liner looks like this. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Simple. So after the top liner, I decided to throw in this choir, man. This choir is inside Trinity Tunez's drum kit. Pretty dope. So after the choir decided to do this Nexus brass thingy, it's like brass strings or whatever. No, it sounds cool. So here I just didn't want it to repeat the same thing, so I just took it up to match with this one. That's just, no music theory, just logic. So here I matched two Koreanas, one from Latin Urban and the other one from Expand. By the way, I also did another instance of a Nexus here, the same as the last one, but different notes. So let me just mute it for now and you can hear the Koreana alone. What I did with the Nexus string thingy, I changed the notes. So here it's quite busy. Sounds like this. Pretty much the melody. I added this Diablo bass. If you know Amapiano, man, you know the Diablo bass from Amapiano. It's hella crazy. This is the only bass. Well, this is a synth bass, but yeah, this is the only bass in this beat. So I don't have an 808, a log drum, or anything of that sort. So what I did next was I went straight to the drums. So with my drums, started off with this snare. This snare comes from my drum kit, Africa. And yeah, the layout is just simple, basic layout. I also did this snare, let me remove that. I did this snare, it goes with that one. For the bounce, And I also did this shaker, pretty basic, also from my drum kit. By the way, all these sounds, the drum sounds here are from my drum kits, Africa and Trinity Tunez. Pretty dope. Then I also did these other shakers, these ones, the three ones. It's the same shaker, but I did it like 3 times and it hits different each time. Then after that, I was like, you know what, let me add a hi-hat just to create some more variation. Then after that, I was like, you know what, man, the beat is too basic. I gotta add some Congo bongos and congas. And then I added this other hi-hat. Then I added this brass. Then I added these Voxes. By the way, guys, these boxes are inside Africa drum kit, not CP Essentials. So basically that's the beat. The only thing left is the kick and the drum fills. And so let me just play it through for you so you can hear it with the drum fills and and the kick. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Did I say don't forget to subscribe? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and also tell me what you want to see next, okay?